Let's set up your Fieldy Wearable AI note taker. Step 1. Charge your Fieldy. Use the USB-C cable and connect it to any power source. Next, long press the side button to turn it on. When you see a pulsating white light, Fieldy is in pairing mode. Open the Fieldy app. When it finds your device, tap Connect. Short press the button to check battery status. Green is above 20%. Yellow is between 5 and 20%. Red means below 5%. Keep the Fieldy app running in the background so your device stays connected. You can create a voice profile to help Fieldy better recognize your voice. Or skip this step for now. That's it. When you connect your device, Fieldy automatically starts capturing and transcribing your moments. If you want to try Fieldy or grab Fieldy 3, I've added the link in the description and pinned comment.